If you're looking for some summer inspiration for casual, relaxed looks that are easy to put together, comfy and low-key, and budget friendly, you're in the right place. Hello, I'm your friend Deirdre, and a big welcome back to my channel, the channel for ladies over 50. And I hope you're all doing really well. And today, welcome to a slightly breezy Greece, where I am at the moment. Now, I've got 7 casual, low-key outfits to show you here, filmed over 7 days, and a bonus outfit at the end too, to show you which are perfect either for every day or for taking on holiday, anytime really, from, you know, now right through the summer into early autumn. I've also included lots of really key styling tips as well, how to wear things that you might have thought were a little bit tricky and look fabulous. So watch out for those. I've been filming them here in Greece as sort of daily outfits in shorts, and you've loved them. So I thought I'd put them together, plus another one or two as well, so that you can binge watch. And I filmed in a mixture of places, mostly on the Greek islands just south of Athens, but also on the Peloponnese, where I am here, the southern mainland of Greece. Honestly, ladies, if you get a chance to come to Greece, grab it with both hands, because it's chilled, it's relaxed, the weather is stunning, and even early in the summer, like now, the days are warm, the sky's that shade of, you know, Mediterranean blue that's almost azure. And as for the food, it's to die for. So I'm going to start off with my first outfit, look 1, which was footage from day 1. So the first outfit that I wanted to show you was what I'm wearing now, which is, if I could just pop you down there, this is where I need my husband rather urgently, is this, which is the uber stylish sort of material that all European women, you always see them in, which is linen. Now, I'm a huge fan of linen. It's breathable, it's lightweight, and even, you know, when it's rumply, which it often is, it still looks chic. But it's very, very worn here by stylish women, definitely. Now, the way I've styled it today is I've chosen a beautiful, vibrant colour, virtually the colour of the sky, which is absolutely lovely. And I've teamed it with, shopped my closet for these, some old, lightweight, straight leg jeans from Marks and Spencer's, just really classic, and popped it up over a white t-shirt. And a belt, this one is a nice thin light nude one, wear it all the time. This is from Reese. And these slides, I don't know if you can see them here, which they're brilliant because they slide on but they don't slide off, which a lot of slides do, if you know what I mean. In pale tan, again from H&M. Very cheap. So the whole outfit is very economical, but it also is, I think, a really good little run around everyday outfit to look chic for the summer. As you can probably see, I filmed that look on a terrace of a little place that I was staying on the island of Poros, which is fairly near to Athens. I also filmed my second outfit there too, in the middle of the little town, which was packed out actually the day that I filmed it because it was a public holiday. So it was quite fun finding a place to film. So I went for a stripy look for my look 2. So today I'm a little bit windblown. Whenever you go to a Greek island, always windy. But I wanted to show you my day 2 look. So I'm just going to pop you down here. It's actually a bank holiday here in Greece today. So it's very, very busy. So I'm just going to move you like that. Hopefully you can see. So what I'm wearing today is a pair of linen trousers. These are absolutely fabulous for any time in the summer, particularly when it's warm but not that hot, which is what it's like today. So these are all linen, Abercrombie, and they are just this wonderful, relaxed, loose fit. You know, they're one of their best sellers, and I can see why I wear them all the time. And they've got lots of room, but they're not bunched up in the front, you know. So what I've done is paired these classic trousers, but with a modern contemporary twist, with a Breton top, which is a striped top, which is 100% cotton as well. So really, really breathable, lovely for wandering around in the holidays, but also for every day as well. Then I've just added a black belt, which is from Cezanne, and these very good H&M, oops, there's a lady here, never mind, braided beige and black sandals here. They're flat, they are so practical, so useful, and what they do is they combine this black and white look here. So popped on a pair of black sunglasses and that's it. So I will see you for the next day for more from a Greek island. By the way, if you are enjoying this summer style video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So I kept up the stripy look actually for my third look too, with some really good style tips on how to wear it. Wait for it. a horizontal striped column dress. Oh yeah, in my day 3. So today I want to ask you a question. Do you think it's very difficult at our age to wear a column dress? Especially one with stripes, and especially one with horizontal stripes. If you think it's difficult, I've got a solution for you. It's all coming up here because this is my day 3 outfit I want to show you. And it's very flattering, very easy to do for us ladies. So this outfit is a column dress. Okay, it's beautiful. Marks and Spencer's, very cheap, 95% cotton. The rest is elastic, so it's got quite a bit of flexibility. And the way to do it is very simple, very easy technique. Just pop on a floaty loose linen shirt. This will make sure that you cannot be seen underneath the shirt, basically. So if you're a little bit worried, a bit conscious of your lumps and bumps and so on here, we all have them, putting this linen shirt on top does 2 things. Firstly, it cuts off that line of horizontal line across you, so it gives you a vertical line instead, so you don't look too wide. The second thing it does is, because of the length and looseness and floatiness of it, it covers up all those lovely little lumps and bumps that we really don't want to be seen. So this is the way to wear one. And if you're not sure about your legs, wear one this sort of length. So this is a beautiful black linen shirt, as you can see, H&M, very cheap. I love buying linen cheaply, and I've teamed it with, if I stand back a bit further, maybe you'll be able to see, these gorgeous black and white, slightly elevated flip-flops with a bit of a golden top to them. So they're really nice to wear out and about, perhaps for the evening, but this sort of a look you could wear with sneakers, would look absolutely fabulous. Pair of white sneakers for a run around looks. And then the other thing you can do is pop on a bag just like this one. This is from June. Absolutely love it, and in a casual way it brings together the pale colors. This isn't actually white, it's a beigey color, black stripes, black shirt, and with the raffia and the black, it just makes it look really relaxed and summery. So for my look 4 on day 4, I'm sporting a dress now. I just adore this color actually, as well as the style. Again, lots of styling tips here in this one too. Alright, so I just want to show you the dress that I'm going to wear. I'm going to pop you down there. Hopefully you can see. Not cut my head off like last time. Now this dress, this is from Nobody's Child. Love Nobody's Child. I think it's got some fabulous options for us ladies. Now, the top of it is quite fitted. It's a little bit more like a vest really, and then it comes in gently at the waist, very flattering, and then it's got a lovely full cotton skirt and pockets. Yay, we love our pockets. So this is a lovely flattering shape for us ladies because it allows lots of space here, and also if I show you the length, I'm 5'4", but it stops at the thinner part of the leg where it goes down to the ankle, so just perfect. So how do we wear this sleeveless dress? Well, you have this. Now I don't have a prop man today. He's coming next week, so it's a do-it-yourself job. But a linen shirt, my go-to for almost everything in the summer. So you pop a linen shirt on, and then simply, really easy to do, tie it around the waist like that. And what that does is, of course, it emphasizes that you've got a waist, even if you haven't. It hides the arms beautifully while still being cool, and it allows the floatiness of the skirt to come down as well. Now, this sort of a look could take you daytime with boat shoes or sneakers like I'm wearing now, or into the evening with some lovely, pretty little sandals. Now for day 5, I'm introducing a really summer colour with more styling tips. I hope you like this one too. Look 5. So today I'm standing in front of one of these beautiful Greek, sorry about the motorbike, Greek style houses. Just lovely, you know, it's so traditional with the stone walls that are all painted white and then all this blue paint on it. It's just so Mediterranean and so summery. And thinking of summery, a really good way to embrace summer, of course, is to wear summery colours. So I want to show you my outfit today. So I'm just going to pop you down here. Hope you can see me. So what I've got on now is a lemon yellow, absolutely beautiful linen and viscose mix shirt. that I'm just wearing really casually, not tucked in, nothing, just cool. And underneath it, I popped a little cami, you know, just to be even more relaxed, so I can have it open and flowing out. This is just fabulous because it's comfortable, breathable, natural, and it's from H&M, so it's really cheap. So it's absolutely fabulous. And I've just teamed it here with a pair of white lightweight trousers and some natural coloured, because I've kept it all soft and natural today, natural coloured slides. They're also from H&M, really comfy. Now, because it's quite a minimalist sort of simple outfit, I've decided to jazz it up somewhat with a little bit of glitz and glint with this cuff that I've got here, these gorgeous earrings. These are from Mango. All of this is really quite cheap. This is from Aurelia. I will link everything in the comments for you. But I just thought a little bit of gold with the lemon would just add that zhuzh. Of course, you don't need all this jewelry if you're just, you know, running around in the day. It's absolutely fine. Wear it with sneakers, wear it with ballet flats. And also another good thing about this lemon yellow is it's so versatile. I can see it with blue wash jeans as well, or shorts. Oh, and by the way, you often ask me about my sunglasses. These are ones from Celine. As I said, I will link everything below. So I hope you've enjoyed today's relaxed outfit. So the weather got a little hotter and the sun got a little brighter, as it is here, as you could probably see with the light on me for my day 6. So today I wanted to show you something that you wouldn't necessarily associate with casual wear. Have you ever thought that pinstripes are really probably more for office wear, more formal wear? Well, I'm going to change that view because I want to show you what I'm wearing today. So I'm going to pop you down there and hopefully that'll be in the right position for you to see. And what I'm wearing today is a very casual outfit, and I'm wearing these fabulous pinstripe linen blend. They are linen and viscose, almost half and half, I think. So they flow down, these beautiful pinstripe trousers. I've got my keys in my pocket. They don't normally stick out. They are beautiful and straight-legged but loose. Relaxed, but they've got no extra material here. They are just lovely. An elasticated waist so that you can eat. And they're not too wide legs, so you can walk. And what I've done with them today is I just topped on a little cami top and a beautiful linen shirt, a floaty linen shirt, which plenty of air in it and very relaxed look. Of course, you could put lots of other different things with these trousers. That's the beauty of them. You could wear them for like every day, as I am doing here. You could put them with sneakers or ballet flats, or you could dress them up, take the shirt off and put a nice even off the shoulder top on with it, or a little t-shirt or anything to really dress it up in the evenings. Put heeled sandals, a cuff like I'm wearing here, which is beautiful. I'll link everything below. And you could really dress it up as well. But what I will say is they are so gorgeous that I think they might even be out of stock now. But what they do, this is an H&M, by the way, $17.99, so very economical. What they have got still in stock are the opposite reverse pinstripe. So they've got like an ivory pale beige with a very thin black pinstripe, which if anything are more summery. Absolutely gorgeous. You could put black with that, you could put chocolate brown, you could put all sorts of different colors, white of course, cream, any of these sort of nice summery colors, and I think it would work really well. So I hope you've liked this outfit, and the view at the back, which is just fabulous. And I'll just show you very quickly here, still on that gorgeous island. I just love these pinstripe trousers. You know, they're from H&M, so very economical. In fact, most of the brands that I've been showing you here are really good value. H&M, Marks & Spencer's, brands like that, which have good quality, but without the big price tag. Another little point, actually, I'm going to be creating another video to show you more of what I've been wearing in Greece. So watch out for that, and things styled up in different ways. So on to my 7th look. So today I'm actually not on a Greek island. I'm actually in a place called Portochili, which is on the mainland, still by the sea. But it's a place where apparently the former king of Greece used to have a summer home. But of more importance to me is there are some fabulous tavernas and restaurants here, which I have partaken in, as you'll be able to see with my tummy in just a minute. So let me show you my outfit for today. Very, very relaxed, but cool. So I'm starting off with these linen trousers, which are from Nobody's Child, last summer actually, but I will put some links for some other yellow linen trousers for you because I just love them. They're way more versatile than you would think, because you know, you can put yellow with white, you can put it with black, navy, even charcoal grey, and it just looks really amazing. Now a lot of ladies have said not sure about yellow because it's maybe not their colour. I totally get that, but if you try it, here's a style tip, try it at the bottom of your body rather than near your face, so in a pair of trousers or even a floaty skirt. That's the way to try it, and dip your toes into touch of yellow. So I've teamed it today with a little top. This is from Reese, which I will link as well, cotton, but you can also get them very cheaply from other places like Marks and Spencer's and so on, which I will link. Now I've also added a third layer with this gorgeous Bowden all linen shirt, which is fantastic quality, lightweight, it's just beautiful, and it's got that curve up here which is really flattering at the top of the leg too, so you can wear it outside, not tucked, still amazing. And then just to add a little bit of something, I've added a bit of metal, so in the form of gold. This is Monica Vinegar. Love this, it just looks amazing with yellow, white, the sun, the lot, and this, which is Aurelia as well. Again, I will link everything. And last but not least, I wanted to show you how I've been styling up black and white in our outfit here. You know, wearing black in the summer is not the first thing we think of. It can be a bit problematical. So I hope that this little bit of footage will help you how to wear black and white really successfully. So when you wear black and white, it's just the most amazing stylish combination, especially on holiday. But when you wear it, jazz it up and make it a little bit more glinty and lift it a little bit with plenty of shiny metallic jewelry, such as this sort of cuff, these gorgeous earrings, this lovely little necklace, and then mix it with some raffia. Now look at this gorgeous bag here with the raffia, the black, and that echoes the shoes, but not in a matchy sort of way, more in a sort of complementary kind of way. And you know, a lot of people shy away from black for holidays and for the summer, but I think it really works well. So chic, especially in Greece. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, ladies. Apologies for the sort of the wind, the light and all the rest of it. This is real Greece. If you've enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And do please join my community with my newsletter. And I will put the link to join my newsletter underneath this video as well. And do share this with your friends. There's a lot more coming up on summer style and also a lot more footage of Greece and the Greek islands too, and what I'm wearing on it and what to wear in Greece. I'm really looking forward to sharing that all with you. Hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in a couple of days with more videos. Lots of love. Bye.